Welcome friends, welcome back to my another clean planet walk. How are you all my dear friends? I hope all are well and I am also good. And you know I am Amazul Islam from Tangal district of Bangladesh. Friends, today is Friday, so happy Friday from Bangladesh. Today is Friday 17th June 2022. Now morning time, this Friday morning I try to remove polluted garbage and plastic from riverside and river water in our village. Friends, you can see behind my back riverside, river water, a beautiful natural place. Friends, you know I always try to remove polluted garbage and plastic from riverside, river water. So this morning, this Friday morning, I again try to remove polluted garbage and plastic from this riverside and river water. So friends, let's go cleaning mission start now. Just action. Friends, this river and riverside. Now I try to collect polluted garbage and plastic from here. Let's go friends, cleaning mission start now. Friends, and a bag in my hand. First I saw two plastic bottles stuck in river water. Pani aটকে আছে. Friends, this plastic is really very bad for our river water. This is a very bad for our river water. So I collected this plastic from this river water. এটা আমি ব্যাগে রাখবো. And another bottle here, river water পানির মধ্যে আছে. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম. দেখেন বোতল. এটি very this is very bad for our river water. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম. Friends, I saw one plastic stuck in riverside soils. I collected this plastic bottle. সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম বোতল. Friends, another plastic bottle stuck in river water. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করলাম দেখেন নদীর পানি থেকে. and plastic stuck in riverside nature, green nature. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম দেখেন. I collected two plastic here. আমি ব্যাগে সংরক্ষণ করলাম. প্লাস্টিক ব্যাগে রাখলাম. দেখতে পাচ্ছেন ব্যাগ. Friends, this Friday morning I walking here and try to collect polluted garbage and plastic from this river water and riverside. Friends, I saw here some plastic is stuck in riverside soils. এগুলো আমি সংগ্রহ করব. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I collected 8 plastic products from this riverside. আমি এগুলো সংগ্রহ করলাম নদীর তীর থেকে. দেখেন I collected this polluted plastic and garbage. আমি ব্যাগে রাখবো. এগুলো আমি ব্যাগে সংরক্ষণ করেছি। দেখেন, another plastic, old plastic stuck in riverside in nature. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। ঠিক আছে, some villagers, কিছু গ্রামের মানুষ। I saw another plastic here, riverside. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Another plastic. আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Friends, I saw another plastic bottle here. Plastic bottle. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম নদীর তীর থেকে। I collected this plastic bottle from this riverside. This plastic is really very bad for our natural place, riverside, river water. Friends, I saw one plastic bottle stuck in river water. পানিতে আটকে আছে, এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। প্লাস্টিক বোতল নদীর তীর থেকে সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। 2 plastic bottle. I collected 2 plastic bottle from river water. Friends, I collected many plastic product, plastic bottle and use plastic product, garbage. I collected this polluted plastic and garbage from village, from our village river side and river water. Friends, now stop this bag because my cleaning mission finished now. ব্যাগটি আমি এখন বন্ধ করব। Friends, stop this bag, garbage bag. Now this bag threw in dustbin. Let's go, friend. Friends, I collected polluted garbage plastic from this riverside and river water. From this riverside and river water. Friends, this is a very big natural place. So next time I again try to cleaning this place. Friends, this our area's dustbin, this garbage bag in this dustbin. Thank you so much, friend.